Hi everyone, so in today's video I'll be finally showing you how I redid my room. I'm a very chaotic person and I like to change my room up every single week, but in this video I did a permanent remakeover and I'm really happy with how it turned out. I really like the new vibes in my room and I'm so excited to show you guys, so let's just get right into the makeover. So this is the before shot of my desk area. I got this chair that used to be bright blue, but I painted it black to match my room a little bit more. A few months ago I created this moon sign. At the time it was really cool, but for right now it doesn't really work anymore. The batteries have died, but when I replaced them they still didn't work. So I'm just gonna get rid of this moon sign. I'm gonna save the fairy lights, but I'm kind of bored of it. So I'm taking it down to put something else on this wall. When I was finished taking down my moon sign, I just put all my room decor outside of my room so I didn't get distracted by the mess. So we went to IKEA and I bought a new desktop that is not as damaged as this one, and I just took off the legs and put them on my new desktop. Moving on to my bed, I didn't want to change too much because it's just my bed, my mirror and my nightstand, but because I don't have a headboard, I kind of just want to hang a shelf above my bed to make it a little bit more put together. I could put some pictures on there and just some candles, and that makes it look way cozier. Bedding can make a big change in a room, so I bought this white sheets bedding. It's soft cotton and it's from Hema, which is a Dutch store. My nightstand looks very messy because I got a blanket in the basket, so to cover that up I got this bag from Idensa, which is the perfect texture. I got this for free when I bought my shoes. So I'm just gonna put that in the little basket and put my blanket in there to cover it up, and this looks super cute. And now it's time to decorate my shelf. And if you watch more of my videos, you will probably remember this moon sign. I'm gonna hang this above my bed, and this will add a lot of coziness when I'm just reading in bed or watching Netflix. At IKEA, I also got a clothing rack that I'm installing because I always wanted a clothing rack and they were very cheap. So I'm just installing that for the empty corner in my room.
That's why